Look how messy unboxing this one. Whew. What a mess. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see right here, we got tons to unbox. So I'm gonna show you a quick unboxing today. Hope it's gonna be a quick one. These deals I got it from the Nike.com when they did a two-day discounted price, and also I got additional discount, so 20% off discount. So with that, let's do the unboxing. By the way, Nolasco here. In this channel, we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the small one right here. Okay, first one. Okay, so we have here the women's Air Force One SP. Okay, second day I got this one. The first day they don't have the first day of deal, the sale, they don't have this one, and the second day they did. So just like I mentioned, I'm supposed to have a 20% off discount, but I already did apply that discount on the first day, so I didn't have additional discount on this one, but I got them for very good deal. Air Force One though, so I'm gonna set this price on the probably somewhere 30 or 35% return. So alright, we have another Air Force One. Ooh, this one much different. We have Air Force One Sage low, colorways University Blue. Retail is 100. The color is not bad. This University Blue and that leather. This one. Okay, another one of the silver. Oh, this one's much kind of heavier. Probably they put two shoes in here. Yep, two pair of shoes. Oh. There we go. Boom. We have here Air Force One Sage or Sage Low, Copper Moon in white. This one is size 6. How about this one? Ooh, this is it. So I said I'm gonna get a bigger size, and this one I thought it isn't gonna be a good one for my size. It has a size 12. It's gonna be converted to size 10 and a half. But here's the problem: the midsole is so high. It's not like the usual. Look at those. That's high. It's too high. So because I was looking online, I like the color, I like the suede, but then next one, and this one, another two pair. So this one is different. In this box we got the Nike Shock R4 Neymar Jr. There we go. Look at those. Platinum tint. A little bit accent of red right there on the shock. Boom. And boom, a little bit red right there and here. I got them for very cheap. So, and if I'm not mistaken, I got them for around 61 after the 20% discount. So we got 3 big ones right here. Boom. So what we got here, boom, there we go. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 of those and 2 of this one, 2 pairs of this one. I have a size 10 and a half, size 10 And we have here the Nike Air Barrage Low QS. There's a good resale out there, but look at this one. Super Bowl, I don't know. It says 2020? Yep. Look at those. It's kinda chunky shoes. But looking into the comps, they are reselling well. I got here the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 35 Shield. I went for this because it's still raining, still cold outside. Some runners still go out and might gonna need one pair of this. Boom. It's a Nike Run Utility Shield. So I got a pair of 9.5 and about 5 of them. Last of the biggest ones. Okay, here I got another Nike Shox. I got a bunch of this, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pair of this. So there, because just like what I said, there's a 10 limit. So I have to split the pairs into 2 pair size. There you go. One shoes. Oh, wow, that is huge. Nice box. Electro adaptive reactive lacing. So forgive me, I don't know how to do this. All right. Moment of truth. Boom. Oh. It's supposed to be like this one, open up on top. Dang. Wrong unboxing. Like unboxing gone wrong. Okay. Let's take it out. That is something different. So no lace, no visible lace. So this is the first generation, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. And this one is the new second to this one. But I think these are made for basketball. That's why they call it baby. Traction. Not really sure how they work, how do they perform. But I like the traction, the color of the traction. Kinda the Kobe Bryant-ish thing. Especially this trigger right here. And I think that is how they would like to go with that. Especially this one is really good when you play in basketball with the lateral movement. But with that, I can't give much information on that one, but the looks not bad while you're looking at them. The weight kind of a little bit kind of like same what with the Air Force ones. Lucky that I have this one. I bought them for very cheap, about $200 after the discount, so not bad for those. So got lucky I got them. Might still gonna resell them way above 200, maybe 290 or 300. Still goes on that. The price still can go on 300. Well, what do you think on this messy unboxing? I thought it's gonna be a quick unboxing, but real long and messy unboxing. And hope you like this video. Hope you like this unboxing. And if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And with that said, thank you all for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.